Hey beauties, it's Gina. Welcome back to my channel and my closet. You may be wondering why we're shooting in my closet. Never done that before. Definitely a different backdrop than what you're used to on my channel. So pretty much ever since I got engaged, which I'm still so giddy over and literally in cloud nine about still. Aside from non-stop wedding planning, I am already starting to slowly move out, which sounds so crazy to say. But I'm already packing things away, accumulating things from your nice new house together. And I know what you're thinking, like, whoa, you just got engaged. Like, when is the wedding? Is it next month? No, like, don't worry. It is definitely early, but I want to go ahead and get it out of the way so I'm not stressed about it later on. It just gives me more peace whenever I get rid of things because pretty much we're buying everything new. And that brings us to the closets. A lot of this has to go. I have this wardrobe set up right here from IKEA. Shoes right here, shoes and clothes that I don't give much love to in the closet. And a huge rack right here full of my coats and dresses. And I have too many things to get rid of. I'm definitely going to be donating a lot of clothes, but I also have so many new things with the tags and some things I've only worn once, a lot of brand name things and just things that are worth a lot that I have barely touched or never touched. I am so excited to be partnering up with Poshmark on this video to show you guys how I go through my closet, clean it out, and list items so easily online using the Poshmark app. This collaboration is actually perfect timing for me. I love Poshmark. I have been using it for years, and actually now that I think about it, I have sold so much on there, from my prom dress to so many bridesmaids dresses to so many just casual things on there with literally no effort. I just took pictures of it and boom, like boom, sold. You can download it for free using the link down below, and you can also browse my closet. I need to get started cleaning this out. Looks pretty right now in this frame, but there's boxes everywhere surrounding me. Like I can't take another step. There's boxes everywhere, and yeah, that rack is a hot mess. This closet's hotter mess. You guys, these are all bridesmaids dresses that I've only worn once, only ever gonna wear once, and yeah, no, definitely don't need them in my closet, so I'm gonna be selling them. And I've actually sold a few. Like, this is not all the bridesmaids dresses. I've been in too many weddings for a lifetime, but they actually sell pretty good. So if you have bridesmaids dresses, put them on Poshmark, they'll go, trust me. Hardest decision ever for me? Getting rid of my shoes. I want to keep them all, even if I don't wear them. I just want to keep them and display them and stare at them, but I literally don't wear so many of these and I need to. I eat when I'm stressed, okay? Wedges, not for me anymore once again. Man, you can really look at your closets and the things you don't wear anymore and realize how much you've evolved and all the bad decisions fashion-wise you've made throughout the years. But it also like helps you reflect on how much you've grown and gotten wiser. That was too deep for no reason. Way too deep. I love these Jimmy shoes so much, but I've literally never worn them before. They're a size too big, and I thought it was okay when I purchased them, but like I cannot walk at all in them, so I have to break up with them and give them to someone who will fit them and love them more than I have. You guys, I am so proud of myself. I have 4 bags of items that I'm going to be listing on Poshmark to sell, and also 4 bags that I'm going to be donating. I'm feeling so accomplished. I'm also feeling so much lighter, but also a little empty, you know. I think it's time to go shopping. Just kidding. Not really. Now that I've gone through my closet and selected all the items that I no longer love anymore and don't want in my closets, I am going to go ahead and list it online. So I'm just going to use the Poshmark app. I literally have a folder just for shopping. That's how you know I'm a shopaholic. So this is my Poshmark closet. As you can see, I have quite a few items, minus the ones I'm about to add. For example, this dress right here, I've never worn. I love it so much though, but belongs with someone that'll give it more love for sure. Let's go ahead and take pictures of our new items that we're about to list. So all you gotta do is have the item displayed. You could lay on the floor with a nice backdrop or just however is most convenient for you. And you just take pictures of it using the camera on the app or the camera on your phone. Once I've taken a picture of everything that I want to sell, I go ahead and list it on Poshmark. So I begin by uploading the pictures, then I give it a title, I describe it, I put it in its category, select the size, select the brand, which is a really nice feature. You can put the color, and then here you just put the original price that you purchased it for and then how much you're selling it for. And Poshmark only takes 20% of your sale, which is pretty good, and it automatically tells you the price you'd get for it. And boom, it's live. Aside from using Poshmark to clean out your closet and go through items that you no longer need or love, it is also really great for purchasing new clothes and also designer items. They are really, really popular for purchasing and selling designer items. For example, you can just type in the designer that you are interested in, for example, Gucci, and there are so many items listed for sale for a fraction of the cost of the retail price. Y'all are so welcome for that hookup right there. Plus, Poshmark does offer a free authenticity check. That was so hard to say. So you can be sure that is real, because you don't want to be paying super expensive for fake designer. That's not cool. So it offers that, which is really awesome. Thank you guys so much for joining me and cleaning out my closet with me. I hope you enjoyed. I definitely did. I feel so accomplished and so much lighter. It's so nice knowing that a lot of this stuff is getting donated and another half is getting resold. So good. If you'd like to download the free Poshmark app, go ahead and click the link down below, and you can also browse my closets. Actually, go ahead and browse my cousin Gina's closet. Her closet, I know, cousin, same name, long story, but her closet on Poshmark is booming. She has the absolute cutest things ever. So trendy, so cute. I can't get over it. I want to shop her closet so badly. If you already have Poshmark or decide to download it and start using it, comment your username down below so I can check out your closets and maybe buy something. And that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Today's post notification shout out goes to Christina Silliman. Thank you, girl, for your love and your support and having your notification bell turned on. You are awesome. If you'd like a shout out as well, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell, and also comment down below letting me know that you have the bell turned on, and follow me on my Instagram. Thank you, beauties. Love you.